Alrighty guys, so today we're taking out the trash. Yeah, we're taking it out literally. In it goes, slam it down. So we're talking about taking out the trash today, literally and metaphorically. What do I mean? So, bear with me here. Hope everyone's well. Got my little prop station going on. What is this about? Right, so for some reason I can't figure out how to spin this camera around when I'm filming myself. There's just nothing on the screen to do it, it's weird. Or I'm just can't figure it out. So, what have we got here? We got Shitty Steve, we've got Negative Nancy, and the other two, Positive Patrick and Supportive Susan. So these guys are people in our lives, right? So what we're doing today is we're getting rid of Negative Nancy and Shitty Steve, and we're gonna get rid of them literally in the dumpster. Let's see if I can nail this. Close enough, can't win them all. Terrible shooting, but there you go. Gone, negative people out of our life, and we're definitely keeping, who's this? Positive Patrick and Supportive Susan. So stay tuned, I'll be back in a minute to explain more about what I'm talking about. Alright guys, welcome back. My name's Damien Hinkley. This is another Salesvision Mindset360 training video. It's step 9. And now I'm going to explain to you what I was talking about in that other little clip that you just saw. So we're talking about Facebook cleaning. We're going to clean out your Facebook account today. We're going to get rid of the garbage. We're going to unfollow and remove those negative and toxic people in your life. So the way that you can do that is you can just go to their page and you can hit a button that says unfollow. What that'll do is then you're not going to see their posts coming up on your news feed, therefore it's not going to be in the forefront of your mind or subconsciously going into the back of your head. So you can either unfollow them or remove them, whichever one you'd like to do. There is another way that you can do this as well. You can actually just start a whole brand new account. However, Facebook doesn't really like that. They're not really a fan of it, so they may delete the other account. What you can also do is download all the files though and save them onto the computer from your old Facebook profile, so that's another option. I'll leave it up to you which one you would like to do. Rightio, moving on. So the people that we want to get rid of, so they're the people that I was talking about in that clip before. So we want to get rid of the Shitty Stevens, or whatever I called him before, the Negative Nancy. So these people are the ones that are geared towards negativity. Like if you look at their post, they're either complaining or they're shitty about something, or there's always a negative aspect about what they're talking about or what their post is. So we want to get rid of them. The drama king and queens that are always floating around out there. So we want to get rid of them. We don't want those bad vibes. We don't want to be vibrating on that sort of frequency. We want to be up there and vibrating high. Okay. So basically, yeah, it's going to be getting around and supporting those people that are positive, they're interacting with you, they're always posting good vibes out there. These are the people that you want to surround yourself. There's a good saying that you're the 5 people that you surround yourself with. So if you think about that and who you want to be surrounding yourself with, for me, I want to be surrounding myself with those positive, upbeat people, because they're going to lift me up to that frequency as well. And you're just going to grow a lot quicker, because they're going to be supporting you and getting behind you, and that's what's happening at the moment for me. It's been great. Like, I'm growing. There's all these people supporting me. They've got my back. They're helping me grow, and in turn, all I want to do is just help everyone else. Like, I'm just at the moment, all I'm doing is enjoying making these videos and helping other people to hopefully encourage them to make these videos, or just helping support and inspire other people. It's really good fun. So let's get back to where I was going. So once you've cleaned out the garbage, the negative, toxic people, it's time to start engaging with these positive people. So you want to start sharing their posts, you want to start commenting on their posts, you want to start liking their posts, you want to you know what that's going to do is not only it's going to help you to build rapport with this person and understand more about them. What's going to happen on the back end of Facebook and their algorithm and the way that it works is they're looking for people that are active on Facebook. They're looking for people who are engaging. The content is engaging other people. They're replying to the other people. They're commenting. They're having good conversations. This is what Facebook likes to see. And when you're doing this, what Facebook is going to do for you is it's going to start putting your posts out there more. So it's going to boost it. So more people are going to see what you're doing. You're going to get more reach, and you're going to attract the things that you want in life because you're going to be on that high frequency. All right. So, as I've stated, having lots of fun, really enjoying it. Thanks to everyone that's been supportive so far. Love you all. Peace and love, and I'll see you on the next video.